Hi, welcome to the workshop on the parts of the ear and how each part functions to help us hear. If you missed the workshop in class or you just want a refresher, this is the video for you. You all have a diagram that looks similar to this. It's a great tool for helping to practice teach and to get ready for your teach to learn activity in class for oral communication. So let's start from the outside of the ear and work our way in. The outer part of the ear is called the ear flap or pinna. The pinna helps to funnel sound waves as they enter the ear and continue to funnel these waves through the ear canal. The ear canal ends at the eardrum. The eardrum vibrates as waves pass through the ear canal, and as the eardrum vibrates, so does the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. These are the three tiniest bones in the human body, and they are all connected and pass vibrations from one to the next. The stirrup is attached to this structure right here. Now there are a couple things going on here, one directly related to hearing and the other related to our sense of balance. So let's talk about our sense of balance for just a moment. These three tubes are called the semicircular canals. These semicircular canals are filled with fluid, and as the body moves, the fluid moves, giving us our sense of balance. Oftentimes, if people are suffering with balance issues or a condition called vertigo, audiologists can help to make sure that the fluid in these semicircular canals are aligned and that everything's working properly. So the vibrations from the stirrup actually continue into this structure called the cochlea. Now I don't have a cross-section view of the cochlea in this diagram, but inside the cochlea is a spiral staircase of sorts filled with tiny microscopic hairs. These are sometimes called hair cells, and they are all connected to nerves, which are eventually connected to the brain through the auditory nerve. So the cochlea is very important for hearing. The vibrations in this stirrup actually pass through the cochlea, and each hair cell is unique in basically taking the vibration and recognizing its frequency and amplitude and volume and giving it to the brain to determine what the noise actually is. Some people who don't have a cochlea that's functioning correctly are born completely deaf or have severe hearing difficulties. And oftentimes people who do have those severe hearing difficulties can get a cochlear implant, which is basically just a medical device that takes the place of the cochlea. Now, not related to hearing, but definitely connected to your ears, is this tube right here. The Eustachian tube actually connects the middle ear to the throat. And so sometimes people who have ear infections have fluid backed up, pressing on their eardrum, and irritation can occur. If you need to watch this again, feel free. This should help you get ready for your teach to learn.